Hi, this is Shane with the Rational Trader. No trades today in CL or GC. In fact, let's take a look at those real quick. In fact, this is the entirety of the GC day today, so pretty quiet and really ugly through here. It looks, there's a nice fall here, but it starts right at the POC. So this is it's really unclear what's going to happen. As a human, I kind of like it right there, that bar, because you tried to get through and then you can see an attempt to go higher that fails, but nothing for the machine until way down here, and we stay out of trouble here where it's after the long fall and there's just not much left. In oil was more active, but it was a really sort of interesting here. That's the open right there. So you're already below the value area low, so we must have fallen overnight. Let's see here. Yeah, so kind of a nasty fall there. About a couple hours into the London session, and now you're outside the value area and thrashing sideways down here, and then we start right there. This is a tough looking chart right here. You're breaking lower and then breaking higher, but then not going anywhere. In any case, so you're below the value area low already. One of the problems when this happens is that you often get lots of these sort of flyers that are low volume nodes as the market passes through. Not the case here. I think I saw that quite a bit in the indexes as in their really volatile state right now. So potentially that comment doesn't apply here in the less volatile oil market. The machine is taking a look at it there as you cross back into the value area. No, doesn't see anything though. Then here you're staying out of trouble. Right through here, especially we specifically are saying don't do anything because the POC is right there. Though there's there's enough. You can't see the distribution on screen now. But what's happened is you're back into a big volume distribution area where a lot of volume has been built. There's no low volume node, so we can't tell. We just want to stay away because you can't tell what to do. There's a fall there. It's more ugliness. Finally here we get something to work with, and we don't get the signal we want for the nice fall that happens here towards the end, 10 o'clock ish. So nothing there, no trades. So 0 and 0. The euro is running a new model that's more in line with the actual hours that I trade, because the analysis really clearly shows that the opportunity in the euro is during the London session and before the US session. So I was training the model incorrectly, basically, by including data that I don't care about. So I fixed that, and now I'm running this. And if this pans out this week, then I'll start trading it live next week. We took one simulated trade here, long. All right, back from a little interruption here. So we got long here, and it gets 20. We're trailing by 24. We're trailing by 20, so I got 24 ticks. The data shows actually that a 30-tick trail is even better. I just can't bring myself to do it. So I'm accepting less overall profitability for better sort of short-term profits. I actually sort of like the way CL is trading now in terms of the trade management. It's far tighter than I'm used to, but I can see the benefit. You're basically trying to scalp your way into a runner. I could not find a similar set of trade parameters for the euro or gold that was that worked as well. So trailing by 20 here. And then we go along again here after the what looks like a pullback to the value area low. It's kind of right, we get tagged here. So we move the stop to break even, and then just get one tick. And back from another interruption. Okay, so in any case, and this is the entirety of the trading, so actually fairly quiet here. That's not true, because that's Euro open. I trade until the stock market open, so right there. So the kind of missed here, which would be nice. That's where the kind of fall starts. But otherwise, it's actually fairly ugly after the trade I took. This is still sim though. Keep that in mind. So if this works out well, and there's no issues, then I'll start live trading it next week. So then I'll be at 3 markets that I'm trading live. And then for members, the thing we were talking about this in the weekly message was the top tier versus second tier codes. I'm only trading the top tier codes here in the euro. So only the most frequent, highest probability codes. All right, that's it for today. And we'll see what the rest of the week brings. If we're going to start quieting down here towards the end of the year, or if this is just an anomaly day.